If ChatGPT is showing error code 504, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary timeout issue, and it can be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions to get ChatGPT working again, from the fastest fix to the more reliable ones. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Fix number 1 is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+R, or simply click the refresh button in your browser. A 504 error often happens when the request takes too long to process, so a simple refresh can clear it right away. In many cases, the issue is only temporary, and the connection comes back after a quick reload. So before trying anything else, give the page a refresh and see if ChatGPT loads normally again. If that doesn't work, move on to fix number 2, which is to wait and try again. This is one of the most important steps because server load is often the real reason behind the timeout. Wait about 1 to 5 minutes, then resend your request. Sometimes ChatGPT is overloaded, and the servers just need a little time to catch up. As the saying goes, server load usually clears quickly, so if the first attempt fails, don't keep spamming the same request over and over. Pause for a moment, try again, and see if the error disappears. Now let's talk about fix number 3, which is to shorten your prompt. If your request is very long, ChatGPT may struggle to process it in time, especially during busy periods. The best solution is to break your prompt into smaller parts and send it step by step. Instead of asking one huge question with multiple tasks, split it into smaller, more manageable requests. This reduces processing time and makes it much easier for the system to respond without timing out. If you're working on a long prompt, try sending the first half first, then follow up with the rest. Fix number 4 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make timeout errors worse or trigger them more often. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, or if you're already on mobile data, try connecting to a stronger network. You can also restart your router if you're at home or at the office. Even a quick reconnect can help stabilize the session. Since ChatGPT depends on a reliable connection, this step is always worth checking when you see error code 504. Next, fix number 5 is to start a new chat. Click New Chat and try sending your request again in a fresh session. Old sessions can sometimes slow things down, especially if they've been running for a while or contain a long conversation history. Starting over gives ChatGPT a clean slate and can reduce the chance of a timeout. This is especially useful if the error only happens in one specific conversation but not in others. Now for fix number 6, try using Incognito Mode. Open a private or incognito window in your browser and access ChatGPT from there. This can help remove extension conflicts, cached issues, or browser problems that may be interfering with the page. Sometimes browser add-ons can slow down requests or block parts of the site without you realizing it. Incognito mode gives you a cleaner environment, so it's a smart way to test whether the problem is coming from your browser settings. Finally, fix number 7 is to disable your VPN. A VPN can sometimes increase delay and cause requests to time out, especially if the server route is unstable or overloaded. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and reload ChatGPT. Then try your prompt again. In a lot of cases, disabling the VPN immediately improves connection speed and helps the request complete successfully. So to recap, if you get ChatGPT error code 504, first refresh the page, then wait and retry. Shorten your prompt, check your internet connection, start a new chat, try incognito mode, and disable your VPN if needed. These are the best fixes to try in order, and most people will get back up and running with one of these steps. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.